Hello everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'll be showing you exactly how you can get Bambu Studio working with your iPad. So first of all, simply open the App Store. Over here in the search bar, you need to simply search for Bambu Studio. Now, when you search for Bambu Studio, you will notice that the application doesn't appear in the search results because Bambu Studio is currently available only for the desktop operating systems. However, when you search for Bambu Studio, you are going to see this application that says Bambu Handy. So you need to simply click on this particular application itself, and it is the Bambu Labs official iPad application for managing your printer, monitoring the prints and accessing the maker world. So you need to click on the option of get and simply download and install this application. When you open the app, you just have to sign in into your account, then tap on the option of devices, and then you can basically add your printer inside it. Once your printer is connected with the application, you can monitor the printer's progress. You can then start the supported printer job. You can also manage the printers remotely. So that's how you can basically use the Bambu Studio app inside your iPad. So if this video helped you understand this, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.